Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless drill options. Whether you are a professional builder, a dedicated DIYer, or someone who just needs a reliable tool for home improvement, cordless drills are essential. We have selected models that strike the right balance between power, durability, and ease of use. From compact options for light work to heavy-duty tools for serious projects, each drill here has something unique to offer. We will cover torque, speed, battery life, and comfort so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Let's get started. The first on the list is the Flex 24V brushless hammer drill, Turbo FX 1271T. Designed for professionals, this model packs 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, one of the highest in its class. The two-speed transmission lets you switch between 0 to 550 and 0 to 2,000 revolutions per minute, giving flexibility for both precision fastening and aggressive drilling. Powered by a brushless motor, it runs cooler, lasts longer, and uses battery power more efficiently. Ergonomics play a big role in its design. The anti-kickback control protects wrists when driving through tougher material, while a comfortable grip ensures steadiness during longer sessions. A built-in LED light adds visibility in dark corners. At just over 5 pounds, it is slightly heavier, but the weight translates to stability when tackling demanding projects. Overall, the Flex FX 1271T is a powerhouse drill built for those who want torque, durability, and complete control. Next up is the Makita XFD10Z 18V LXD lithium-ion cordless driver drill. Known for reliability, it offers 480 inch-pounds of torque, perfect for most home and job site applications. Its two-speed gearbox provides 0 to 600 and 0 to 1,900 revolutions per minute, giving users flexibility to move between screw driving and drilling. With the LXD battery platform, you also get extended runtime, rapid charging, and compatibility with dozens of other Makita tools. The all-metal gear construction ensures longevity, while its compact, lightweight frame reduces fatigue during overhead work. It might not match the torque of heavy-duty hammer drills, but it excels in versatility and comfort. Overall, the Makita XFD10Z is an excellent mid-range drill for those who value performance in a smaller, easy-to-handle package. Next is the DeWalt DCD 100720V Max XR hammer drill. This model combines strength with adaptability. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and long-lasting performance, while 3 speed settings allow you to transition seamlessly between delicate fastening, high-speed drilling, and hammer drilling. The hammer function adds an edge for masonry and concrete work, something standard drills cannot manage. The ergonomic grip improves control, and the lightweight frame makes it easy to handle for longer sessions. The 20V Max XR battery system powers not just this drill, but an entire lineup of DeWalt tools, adding versatility for professionals. An integrated LED light improves visibility on the job. While it costs more than compact models, its added durability and features justify the price. Overall, the DeWalt DCD 1007 is a versatile drill that delivers across multiple applications, making it a trusted tool for demanding users. Next is the Makita XT269M heavy-duty drill kit. Designed for serious work, it produces 530 inch-pounds of torque, giving it enough strength to drive through hardwoods, thick plastics, and metals with ease. The two-speed transmission provides control for both precision and faster drilling tasks. Included in the kit are 18V 4.0Ah batteries, offering long runtime and quick charging to minimize downtime between jobs. The brushless motor improves overall tool life, while a rubberized grip ensures comfort and reduces fatigue. Though heavier than smaller models, the added weight provides stability and control during heavy-duty drilling. Overall, the Makita XT269M is a dependable option for professionals and serious DIYers who need long-lasting performance and battery efficiency. The last one on our list is the Bosch PS312A Max 3/8-inch drill/driver kit. Compact and lightweight, weighing just over 2 pounds, it is built for convenience and portability. Despite its small size, it delivers 265 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for everyday household repairs, furniture assembly, and light projects. It features a 2-speed gearbox with 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,300 revolutions per minute, plus 20+1 clutch settings for accuracy and control. These settings help prevent overdriving screws or damaging delicate material. The kit includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, providing everything you need in one bundle. While not designed for heavy-duty construction, it shines in ease of use and reliability. Overall, the Bosch PS312A is a practical, user-friendly drill that excels in portability and value. That wraps up our list of the best cordless drills. From the raw power of the Flex FX 1271T to the lightweight convenience of the Bosch PS312A, each drill offers its own strengths. Whether you need maximum torque, extended battery life, or a compact solution, there is a drill here that matches your needs. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.